Today we are going to see how to draw a ray diagram. Before we draw the ray diagram, we have to know the path of rays when they hit a concave mirror and later on a convex mirror. When we see, we will find that there are infinite rays coming from an object. If you look at it, you will find that these are just some of the many rays coming from that object. From the top of the tree, there are many objects, many rays coming, and from below also there are many rays coming. Now, how these rays go, we are not able to predict. How will these rays go when they hit against an object? How will they be reflected back? Now, for that, we need to keep some points in mind. Okay. The object that is placed in front of a spherical mirror can be a point object or a finite size. If each point on the object acts as a source of light, a large number of rays of light from an object fall on the reflecting side. Now, all these rays, how they will be reflected, we do not know. And for making a ray diagram, we need to take only two of the four rays that we are going to discuss right now. Only two. Now, a ray diagram is drawn to determine the nature and position of an object. Now, this is the first ray that we are going to discuss. If the incident ray passes parallel to the principal axis, we see where the principal axis is. The refracted ray will pass through the focus. Is it clear? So, if the incident ray passes parallel to the principal axis, the reflected ray will pass through the focus. There is no other way that it will go.